Hello and welcome to today's art journal. Today we've got our art journal that's made for our patrons. Wanted you to have a look and have a flip through and see some of the elements that are used on it. I've been going through some of my ribbon stash and just kind of making use of it. I've normally used my ribbon in stitch projects, but I thought it'd be nice to kind of add it to handmade journals, and it just adds a little, special effect on there. Like the edges, I like to see the edges here. So we'll have a look at the back and the front. This is made from one sheet of paper, and it's stitched. So you get a few more parts to the journal. So this is the front and this is the back, and I've stitched it and then added ribbon down the center, and at the ends you can see there's ribbon, and then there's like a really soft velour type ribbon, or like it feels like velvet. It's like a velvet ribbon. And again, lots of lovely texture and painted card and detail. And we've got on the front, it says pursue a lifestyle where the byproduct is happiness. I'm supposed to write the happiness in there. Let's go inside. So I've already started doing some journaling in here, and I've got some areas specifically for journaling, so I've put in some tags that I can write on, and there are spaces here that are still able to take either pen or ink. And I've carried some of the ribbon on the inside of the journal. So I've got little areas where if I wanted to add something in here, add a card, add a message, I could, and again do some writing down here. The paper digital download for patrons this month was just a very kind of small detailed sheets. One has 6 tags and one has a full sheet, and I've decided to use it just as background paper in this journal. The tags were just like the perfect size for these. And again, lots of painted paper. I've gone through my stash of papers and things that I've made for quite a while. Stamped images, handmade paper, and just used it in here. And I'm going to be putting some words as well in the journal. Some more tags that have been painted with water soluble wax crayons. And stitch tag. This says the fruit of the spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. And that's from Galatians 5:22. And again, you can see a clearer picture of the digital download for this month that they received, and I've coupled that with some handmade paper. And again, I've had this handmade paper for years, several sheets, and it's just like, okay, let's just start using it, and I'll be coming back in on this page and adding some inks and just bringing all of them together. We've got some hand painted and stenciled card under here, and a tag with some ribbon here for me to write some messages. And on this page I've just started by laying down elements, and then I'm going to come back in. I've started here with some ink, and yeah, That's it. And this page uses some, this is from a painting that I recycled, and we're going to add some more elements to the page. So what I've done with this journal is gone through and laid down paper, and then when I'm ready I can then come back and then start either writing in it or doodling in it, depending on how much time I've got. And these are some wooden features that I have in my stash. I've got some bird cages, birds, owls, and this dancing fairy. So let's have another quick look. And the good thing about this is that, you know, you don't just have a blank page that you start to work on. As I said, I've just layered and then left it and then thought, okay, let me come back and do some work on that page. And sometimes these sparks ideas for you, or even some of the colour. I could come in and kind of bring the green so it kind of blends in with this one, and then do some journaling as well. Okay, so that's today's journal. Look forward to connecting with you soon.